Did you know that right now is the absolute best time to buy a home? Interest rates are at the lowest they have been in over 70 years. Many of the home prices are 60% less than they were just 3 to 4 years ago. With the county and government-sponsored programs to assist first-time home buyers with down payments and closing costs, your total out-of-pocket expenses to purchase your new home may be even less expensive than renting a new apartment. Of course, many of these programs depend on your income and the location of the home you're buying. Nevertheless, now is the perfect time to buy your new home. So, what is preventing you from taking advantage of historically low interest rates, first-time home buying programs, and the incredibly low home prices? Is it your credit score? Is it because you don't have any money saved? Or is it simply you don't understand the complicated process of home buying and you don't want to join the millions of homeowners who are currently losing their homes to foreclosure? Or maybe it's a combination of all three and you just don't know where to get started. What if I told you that an organization has been created that understands your fears, concerns, and frustrations, and has developed an entirely new approach to real estate that puts you first, that puts your needs before earning a commission or fee, and is truly committed to ensuring that you not only purchase your first home, also places you squarely on the path to becoming financially free? The Partnership for Housing Recovery and Sustainability, the Partnership, is a membership-based nonprofit financially empowering organization comprised of both community and professional members. Our community membership is designed for home buyers and homeowners interested in buying or keeping their home while becoming financially free. The professional members are comprised of real estate agents, lenders, home improvement contractors and inspectors, and settlement attorneys who conduct their business according to governing principles. The governing principles clearly state that our professional members must agree to full disclosure of all fees and commission, mandating pre- and post-home ownership education, volunteering within their community, and sponsorship reimbursement to our wealth-building members. The Partnership is education-driven, support-oriented, and community-engaged. Our mission is to provide sustainable home ownership for our members. The Partnership works to eliminate financial and credit illiteracy by providing our members with education, resources, and support to ensure that they are completely prepared to engage in the business of home ownership. The Partnership specializes in providing credit and financial management solutions to assist our members with both purchasing a home and sustaining home ownership. The Partnership is committed to building lifelong relationships with our members by fully disclosing every detail of the transaction, thereby ensuring 100% satisfaction. The Partnership utilizes cutting-edge technology to develop win-win solutions and strategies for our members because we know time is of the essence. The Partnership will place strong emphasis on customer service, market knowledge, frequent reporting, and effective due diligence. The Partnership's motto is providing sustainable home ownership, which means our professional members will always conduct themselves with the highest levels of honesty, integrity, professionalism, and excellence. We call it HYPE. So, enroll today. Register for our free home ownership orientations to learn exactly how close you are today from owning or keeping your home. Remember that today's actions determine tomorrow's lifestyle.